The moon, our closest celestial neighbor. It's been a source of wonder, inspiration, and intrigue for millennia. But there's one part of it that has always been shrouded in mystery, the so-called dark side of the moon. What secrets does it hold, and why can't we see it from Earth? Today, we're diving into the science and mysteries behind the far side of the moon. First things first, let's clear up a common misconception. The dark side of the moon isn't actually dark. In fact, it receives just as much sunlight as the side we see from Earth. The term comes from the fact that this far side is always facing away from us. This phenomenon is called tidal locking. Over billions of years, gravitational forces have synchronized the moon's rotation with its orbit around Earth, so the same side is always visible to us. But what about the side we can't see? Why does it captivate our imagination so much? For centuries, humanity had no way of knowing what lay beyond. Speculation ranged from vast lunar oceans to alien civilizations. It wasn't until 1959 that the Soviet spacecraft Luna 3 captured the first images of the moon's far side. What they revealed was shocking. Instead of smooth, vast plains like the near side, the far side of the moon is rugged, mountainous, and heavily cratered. Scientists believe this difference is due to the moon's unique formation history. Billions of years ago, a Mars-sized object collided with the young Earth, ejecting debris that eventually formed the moon. The near side, which faces Earth, has a thinner crust due to gravitational influences and was flooded with lava billions of years ago, creating the dark, smooth plains called Maria. The far side, however, has a thicker crust and has experienced fewer volcanic eruptions, leaving it rugged and heavily cratered. One of the far side's most fascinating features is the South Pole Aitken Basin, the largest and oldest impact crater in the solar system. Stretching over 20,500 kilometers, it's a treasure trove of information about the moon's past and possibly even the early solar system. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 mission became the first spacecraft to land on the moon's far side. Its discoveries include minerals from deep within the moon's mantle, which could help us understand its internal structure. But the far side isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's also a perfect location for future space exploration and astronomy. Because the far side is shielded from Earth's radio signals, it's an ideal spot for radio telescopes. Scientists could use it to study the universe's earliest moments, free from interference. And who knows, one day, the far side of the moon could host permanent research bases, or even become a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. But the far side isn't without its challenges. Communications with Earth require relay satellites, and its rugged terrain makes landing and exploration difficult. Despite these challenges, humanity's fascination with the far side of the moon continues to grow. It's a reminder that even in our cosmic backyard, there are still mysteries to unravel. The far side of the moon is no longer a complete enigma, but it remains a symbol of humanity's unending quest for knowledge. What secrets will we uncover next? Only time will tell. Until then, keep looking up and wondering. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay curious.